Home Minister Amit Shah, after Prime Minister, has now backed Sabarmati report, which essentially revolves around the 2002 riots and its aftermath. The Home Minister, of course, has said that this is a big blow to the ecosystem, as he says, and the truth will come out ultimately, and the film defies and exposes the powerful ecosystem, is what Amit Shah has said. In fact, the Prime Minister also made a similar remark yesterday. Let me go across to my colleague Aishwarya Jain, who continues to be with us. So Aishwarya, this was seen as a bit of a contentious film, given the fact that it's coming right ahead of the crucial elections in neighbouring Maharashtra. So, of course, that was one charge against the film. But both the Prime Minister and the Home Minister backing the film, saying that the ecosystem, quote-unquote ecosystem, has been exposed.
Well, and that's what Home Minister Amit Shah posted on social media X, that no matter what happens, no matter how hard a powerful ecosystem tries, but truth will prevail. And that's where also Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday had put out on the social media platform X that the truth will prevail. Of course, there had been a lot of people on one side who had criticized the movie, and which is drinking political drama. In fact, it has garnered a lot of criticism. Vikrant Massey, who is an actor himself, has got a lot of threats after the movie was released. But remember, it was the Supreme Court of India who gave a clean chit to then Chief Minister Narendra Modi of Gujarat after there were different theories that came out that he was the one who had not put his best efforts to stop these riots, which happened soon after the incident of Sabarmati Express being burnt. And therefore, the reason perhaps now, when this movie had come out, it has been lauded just not by the Prime Minister, but now by the Home Minister as well. In the post, the Home Minister also stated that the film Sabarmati Report defies the ecosystem with unparalleled courage and exposes the truth behind the fateful episode to broad daylight. In replying to one of the critics who had tweeted, in fact, a lot of people have said that the makers of Sabarmati report had clearly gone into the depth of what had literally happened, and revealing it out to the people in large. What's the truth behind it is something which is a very, very strong stand that they have taken, and now PM and HM both lauding the Sabarmati report, unlike of what we have seen during the Kashmir files and Kerala files as well.
All right.